Alright, so here we have the 45-gallon Jaboticaba trees that we just received, and we have them available. I'll just walk by and show you what they look like. Very beautiful, healthy looking trees in the 45-gallon grow bags, and we have them on drip irrigation to keep them nice and moist and healthy. Some are much bigger than others, but all of these trees have already fruited, and we had 20, we only have 18 at this point right now. So I just wanted to walk by and give you a bird's eye view of the trees, and hopefully if you're interested in the trees, you'll give us a call. Every tree is priced a little different because of the size of the trees. Some are a little smaller than others, but we do have some pretty good big ones, and our prices vary a little bit. But we have very fair pricing for trees that are over 10 years old in most cases and have actually fruited already multiple times. So if anybody is interested in getting some of these Jabos, these are the Sabra variety, please reach out. You know how to reach me, and we'll be more than happy to set up an appointment for you to come in and pick out your tree. I'll give you a very fair price, and we'll take care of you. So please give us a call. You come in with your truck. This is a cash only purchase. Keep that in mind, please. This is cash only. You'll come on down to Davie, bring your truck, we can load you, and you're on your way, and you've got yourself a fruiting Jaboticaba tree. If you're in Central Florida, it's no problem. Your trees can grow very well up there. So keep us in mind. This is an amazing fruit. It's very tasty. You know, I would definitely highly recommend having one of these if you can afford one in your backyard. And if you have some property, you might want to take a couple of these trees, because these trees are absolutely amazing trees. All right, everybody, and we'll give you also some tips on how to take care of them. We'll give you some advice. You can always give us a call after you purchase them, and we'll be giving you some hands-on assistance in case you need some tips on how to grow, how to plant them, and stuff like that. All right, have a great one, and give us a call. These are going fast. We just got them yesterday, and already 2 of them are gone.